Welcome to the stock market. Have you ever wanted to be a part owner of a big company like Apple or Amazon? The stock market lets you do just that. It's like a giant shop where pieces of companies called stocks are bought and sold. Understanding the stock market can seem scary at first. But trust me, it's like learning any new skill. Once you get the basics, you'll be on your way to potentially growing your money. It's about taking charge of your financial future. And with a little guidance, you can do it. Are you ready to learn more? Let's dive in. Imagine a delicious apple pie. Now imagine that pie is cut into many slices. In the stock market, each slice represents a share of a company. When you buy a share, you're buying a tiny piece of that company. As the company grows and becomes more valuable, so does your slice of the pie. That's how you can potentially make money in the stock market. Of course, just like any market, prices go up and down, but over the long term, the stock market has historically trended upwards. Ready to learn about the different ways to invest? Let's go. Stocks are like little pieces of ownership in a company. When you buy a stock, you become a shareholder. This means you own a small part of that company. Companies sell stock to raise money. They use this money to grow their business, develop new products, or expand into new markets. As a shareholder, you can potentially benefit in two ways. The company's stock price can increase in value, and some companies also pay dividends. Now, let's look at another way to invest: bonds. Bonds are different from stocks. When you buy a bond, you are essentially lending money to a company or government. It's like giving a loan that they promise to pay back with interest. Bonds are generally considered less risky than stocks. They offer a steady stream of income through interest payments. Investing in bonds can be a good way to balance out the potential ups and downs of the stock market. Ready to learn about another investment option? Let's move on. Section 5, Mutual Funds, Strength in Numbers. Picking individual stocks can be, challenging. Mutual funds offer a simple solution. A mutual fund is like a basket of different stocks or bonds. When you invest in a mutual fund, you are investing in all of the assets held within that fund. This diversification helps spread your risk. It's like having a little bit of everything instead of putting all your eggs in one basket. Now let's understand how prices are determined in the stock market. Section 6, Supply and Demand, the market's movers. The stock market works a lot like a giant auction. The price of a stock goes up when more people want to buy it than sell it. This is called demand. Conversely, if more people want to sell a stock than buy it, the price goes down. This is called supply. Understanding supply and demand is key to understanding how stock prices fluctuate. But how do you actually buy and sell stocks? Let's find out. Section 7, Brokers and Exchanges, your market guides. You can't just walk into a store and buy stocks. You need a special kind of store called a stock exchange. And you need a salesperson called a broker. Stock exchanges are like marketplaces where buyers and sellers come together to trade stocks. Brokers are licensed professionals who execute trades on your behalf. Today, you can easily buy and sell stocks online through brokerage accounts. Investing wisely also means not putting all your money in one place. Let's explore why. Section 8, Diversification. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. You've probably heard the saying, don't put all your eggs in one basket. The same goes for investing. Diversification means spreading your money across different types of investments. This could include stocks, bonds, mutual funds, and more. By diversifying your portfolio, you can potentially reduce your risk and increase your chances of success. Ready to take the next step on your investment journey? Section 9, The Journey to Financial Freedom. Understanding the stock market is a journey, not a sprint. It takes time to learn and gain experience, but the potential rewards are worth it. Start by investing in your education. Read books, take online courses, and follow financial news. Investing can be a powerful tool to help you achieve your financial goals. Remember, the best time to start investing was yesterday. The next best time is today.